Hello, my name is Sergio. My experience have been on of my experience. Why when I went to Canada, which my aunt very fun. We went to the ranch, Vitar. We were going in motorcycles of the ramps. My played paintball, Wings Mountains. We went ski, ski in the forest, waterfalls. My second trip was when went to Disneyland. Was very fun because I go normally out. The games, it's very large experience. So well, I went to visit with my my aunt in Tijuana, stay, which them very well. We went to Tijuana, to the United States, OS, so well, I went to Puerto Vallarta and go snorkel with my uncle and was so some Monterrey.